Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to confirm that your Pixel is actually in safe mode and then attempt a simple reboot. That often clears the state. Look for the safe mode label. If present, press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds and choose restart. If restart does not appear, power the phone off fully, wait about 10 seconds, and power it back on. Doing this forces the system to attempt a normal boot rather than a diagnostic session. Once you've attempted a restart and safe mode persists, remove the most likely cause. Apps. Safe mode disables third-party apps, so uninstall any app you added or updated in the last 2 to 3 days. Open Settings, navigate to Apps, pick the suspect app and uninstall. This removes conflicts that force safe mode. After each uninstall, reboot to see if the phone boots normally. This targeted approach saves time versus broad resets and pinpoints the offending app. If uninstalling apps doesn't resolve safe mode, clear the system cache from recovery mode to remove corrupted temporary files. This does not erase personal data. If that still fails, back up your data and perform a factory data reset via Settings right arrow system right arrow reset. This restores software to factory condition and removes persistent issues. Troubleshooting tip. If the phone re-enters safe mode after reset, suspect faulty hardware or a firmware problem and contact Google support or an authorized repair center for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.